12 introduce subwoofer.
Yo, this your boy Youngstar, 21-year-old CEO, FTE in the building. Hey Joker, you know what I'm saying? I kind of feel like they hating on our hits, but we getting rich. We gonna do it like this.
Yeah, okay. It's your boy Joker, you know what I'm saying? Mr. FTE, you already know the title, the credits, you know what I'm saying?
MySpace.com,
Hey, Trey, you know what I'm saying? I don't think that I should have to keep introducing myself, but,
Nah,
you know.
tell him anyway. Tell him anyway.
My name is Joker,
Okay.
habitual smoker.
Yeah.
I bent so many trees that I have splinters in my toaster. I need a bitch to stay below my waist like a holster. And then I sit my cup up on her booty like a coaster. I brag about my
Young Buck, P.I., Ludacris, Dirty South, yeah! I hear him talking, but he popping with that ass. So I get the little crump, I'ma make him gone. We ain't playing.
Futuristic, street rock, bitch.
No, not Bangladesh. Bangly. Yo, Brain Bang. What up, homie? Yo, MySpace been blowing me up, telling me I had to do it. And since I'm a real democracy, I figured I might as well. You know what I mean? It goes like this. A million here, a million there. Yeah, you got a mill, but for real, dog, nobody cares. If you don't share, you don't donate to charity. Children who can barely eat, no shoes on.
Justice.
DJ.
Let's
There you go.
Brought down by a horse and